Hello, welcome to Rafael Technology Second. In this session, we will see how to delete a database record by using Windows Phone application. So this is the basic AD.NET tutorial, the part 4. Part 5. I will strongly recommend you to watch the previous video as well to continue the session. In last video, we have seen insert, retrieve, those sort of operation into Windows Phone application by using Edu.NET Code. So in this session, we will see how to delete the database record by using Edu.NET Code. Right. So here we want to do. This is the record we have into database table. So we want to delete the table record by using Edu.NET Code from our Windows Phone application. So as an interest of time, I already typed all the AD.NET code I required. This is the form I already designed. This is the name of the account number with a text box and the message control, and with the button. Just let me double click the button handler. So look, first what you're doing, we're just checking with the if statement, where if the text box below equal to null. If it's null, if that means the user didn't enter anything, so we want to provide the message to please provide the account number. Okay. Otherwise, we are just using the try and catch block to execute the code. Look at this idea. The last idea we have seen how to define the connection into the SQL connection method. In here, we are using our old-fashioned by using creating the string variable with the name string connection. We are using the configuration manager. Then we are passing the name of the connection string in here. Then we are using clause to create a open a connection explicitly. In this connection object, we are passing our name of the connection string. Then we are opening the connection here. In this command, we are saying delete from the name of the table is called account, where the account number is whatever the value parameter is coming from our command. Okay, so finally we are just passing the connection string SQL connection con object in here. Then we are just associating the parameters coming from this command is called account number. We are just adding with the values with the parameters with this command. Okay, the value is coming from the text box one, as you can see from our design form. Okay, this is the text box one is coming from the value. Then what you are doing, we're just the creating the integer types is name is row. Then in this integer type, we are just initializing our command with the non-execute query. As you can remember from our last previous video, we had just I mentioned that execute non-query is types types is integer, and there's a return for if it's return successfully, there's return one, otherwise it's going to return -1. That's its type is integer. Then we want to display the message is account is deleted. Is any exception, it's going to show the exception into message box into the level control. So at this point, let me just save this all the things and rebuild the solution. As you can see, build is succeeded. Let me just run the application. As you can see, the application is running. So what do you want to do? We want to enter the account record for 18. The moment I enter 18 and click the delete button, we should look at this. There is displaying the expected messages. The account is deleted. So let me just re-execute the SQL query and scroll all the down. As you can see, the record is not exist anymore. Let me do another again. For example, 17. Message is displaying, account is deleted. Let me re-execute the query and scroll down. Look at this. The account number 17 is not present in this database column. Still, if you have any questions, any suggestion, any comments to improve this video, then feel free to leave in my YouTube channel or in my blog. I will get back to you when I can. But thank you for listening. And next video tutorial session, we'll see how to display the data into the level control. Thank you for watching.